We live in a fast-paced world where people expect instant results and instant answers. Due to this, long TV commercials, lengthy blog posts, and repetitive radio ads are no longer the most effective ways of advertising. There is a new and more effective solution called explainer videos. These are short animated ads used to explain your products and impress your audience. Studies have shown the presence of these videos on your websites, blogs, or just up in the whole World Wide Web increases your business by multiple folds. The reason why explainer videos work so well is because they capitalize on two important factors: their short duration and visual storytelling. These factors make it easier for your audience to connect with the video and thereby your product. However, to create your product explainer video, you need a skilled team behind it. We are a team of talented creators, each specialized in a respective field. Our policy of going the extra mile in each part of the video ensures your products are showcased in the best way possible. So the next time you promote a new product or service, you know who to call.